Welcome back everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore something really exciting. How to use Google Gemini AI to generate images easily on your Android phone. If you've ever wanted to create stunning AI images just by typing a simple prompt, this guide is going to walk you through everything step by step. Let's get started. Go to the Play Store on your device. This is where you download and manage all your apps. In the search bar, type Google Gemini and install the official app. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Now sign in using your Google account to access all the features properly. After logging in, look at the interface carefully. You will see a menu icon or options section usually located at the bottom left or top area, depending on your version. Tap on it to open more features. From the available options, select Create Image or any image generation tool inside the app. This is the section where the AI magic happens. Now comes the fun part, typing your prompt. Enter a detailed description of the image you want to generate. For example, you can type, "A futuristic high-speed train running through Japan at night with neon lights." After entering your prompt, tap Send or Generate and wait for about 10 to 20 seconds. The AI will automatically create a unique image based on your description. Once the image is generated, you can preview it and save it directly to your phone gallery. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.